Access usBIM via Cloud usBIM website and enter your My ACCA credentials. If you forget your password, you can easily recover your access data. If you don't have an account, simply register directly from the home page. After accessing the service, you can view the home page. Access the application panel and click on the Help button to access the technical support and training services, such as free courses and user manual. Hide the folder structure. View the folder's structure created in the My Documents section. Create your own BIM object library in the BIM object library section. See the various folders shared by other collaborators in the Shared with Me section. View the used storage space and view the created folders, subfolders, and uploaded documents. View files or create links to other documents. Share your folders with other colleagues, create a new folder, upload files, or create a new document. Use the integrated applications such as usBIM Calendar, usBIM Chat, usBIM Meet. View the upload progression status. Selecting multiple files, you can also perform specific operations too. Set the language. Manage your account and profile photo. Change the document viewing style, listed or icon style.